Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is your trainer Saida Sumaira and today I'm here with some important vocabulary related to crime. So we are going to learn some of the vocabulary words that when you are talking about crime, अगर आप किसी भी जुर्म के बारे में बात करते हैं या किसी भी crime से related topic के बारे में बात करते हैं, so which words you people can use, today we are going to learn that. So as you can see on the screen, the first word that is written here, so we pronounce it murder. R goes a bit silent. If you see here, so we pronounce it murder. So murder, if you kill somebody, अगर आप किसी का कत्ल कर देते हैं, जान से मार देते हैं, so we call it murder. हम ये नहीं कहते murder, murder. Then this R is silent and this R sound, we also drop it, murder. The next is shoplifting. Shoplifting, if you steal item from the shops. अगर आप किसी दुकान से, किसी ग्रोसरी स्टोर से या कहीं से भी कोई चीज छुपा के उठा लेते हैं या चुरा लेते हैं, so we call it shoplifting. The next word that we have is assault. Assault means if you attack someone physically. अगर आप किसी पे किसी तरह का भी अटैक करते हैं physically, आप उसको नुकसान पहुंचाने की कोशिश करते हैं, उसको मारते हैं, so it is considered as assault. The next word that you can see on the screen is arson. This R is again silent. Arson means if you deliberately start a fire. Deliberately means intentionally. कि अगर आप consciously जानते बूझते हुए इरादतन कोई अटैक करते हैं, फायर करते हैं, it has multiple meanings but it depends on the context कि किस context में ये चीज क्या meaning दे रही है. So the pronunciation of this word is arson. The next word that we see on the screen is robbery. Robbery, it's a very common word and we are familiar with it. If you take something from a person or a place by force or threat, इसको हम कहते हैं कि डकैती या चोरी, जिसमें there are people involved, जिसे हम कहते हैं कि फलां के घर पे चोरी की वारदात हो गई या डकैती हो गई. So robbery. And the person who performs that act is known as robber. चोरी करने वाला. Now, on the right side, if you can see, there is another term that is also related to the robbery. We call it burglary. The spellings are B-U-R-G-L-A-R-I, but this R is silent. So we pronounce it burglary. So burglary, if you illegally enter a building and steal things. कि अगर आप illegally गैर कानूनी तौर पे कहीं पे जाते हैं और कहीं से कोई चीज उठाते हैं, जिसको डकैती अगेन हम कहते हैं, तो वो चीज, वो एक्ट आपका जो है वो क्या कहलाता है? burglary. This R will be pronounced, but this R will remain silent. Burglary. The next is hijacking, and it's a very familiar term, and it is related to the planes. For say, you might have seen movies कि अगर कोई vehicle, airplane या कोई ship, उसको अगर आप illegally take over कर लेते हैं, उसका illegal control ले लेते हैं, तो it means that it is hijacked. There are a lot of movies where they use this term hijacking. And the last one, it's a very common word and you might be familiar with this, it's smuggling. Smuggling, if you illegally take people or goods into or out of the country. So smuggling is not just limited to the people or things. अगर आप लोगों को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह illegally transfer करते हैं या लेके जाते हैं, so that is also smuggling. So this G sound, we drop it. Smuggling. We will not say smuggling. If you really want to sound like native speaker, so you pronounce it smuggling, right? So these are a few vocabulary words related to the crime. That's all for today. See you again with the very exciting vocabulary. Thank you so much for watching this video.